and it looks really good from a distance. If you don't know how to build a boat, can you still build a boat? And I want to make absolutely clear here that I do not know what I'm doing. Seriously, I had to Google complex nautical terms like mast and rudder. How is this happening? Top plank is done! Yay! So the whole hull is almost complete. Super nice. What I did with the top plank is on this strake also the oar locks go. These. The things that keep your oars from sliding along the top edge. So I have doubled my butt blocks that keep these two planks together with a shape of an oar lock. This is the front stem, and it's been roughly cut like to raw shape so that I can shape it later on. Later on is now. I need to give it its final shape. And as you can see, there's a bit of an inexplicable bubble here, and we're wavy over here. Also, this goes straight up, and I want to achieve a nice curve on both ends. So meet the CurveMaker2000. It's very exclusive. I think maybe nobody has this except for me. Okay, so we're doing this in a couple of different steps.
Is it clear?
Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.